What's the difference between 不、没、别? All these words effectively means no in broad sense, but in usage they are little different. 不 means no, not, don't. 没 means nothing, and 别 means don't do. And 不 is the most neutral of the three. It's like could be used in a variety of terms, like don't want, 不想, not enough, 不够, can't, 不能. May is usually used in the term 没有, which describes a specific thing or acting. Hence, is closest to nothing. For example, there is nothing there, 什么也没有. Or, I have no ideas, 没办法. 别 is linked to the action, but it's usually an explicit request not to do something. Example, don't go, 别走. Don't be shy, 别客气.